What's going on with your kids? Natural remedies for children's allergies. Maybe you hear your daughter sneezing after she pets your neighbor's cat. Maybe you've noticed a raised red spot on your son's skin after he's been playing in the park. Or you might notice your preteen rubbing his puffy eyes as he wheels the lawnmower back into the garage. What is an allergy? Children described above may be showing signs of an allergic reaction. What do these symptoms have in common and how can you help? Common allergy triggers include certain medications, pollen, dust, insect stings, animal dander, some foods. It happens when their immune system overreacts to a substance that's normally harmless. Any child can develop an allergy. When your child eats, touches, or breathes in an allergen, their immune system releases histamines. That causes symptoms of an allergic reaction. Allergens can affect your child's skin, respiratory tract, and other organs. The symptoms of an allergic reaction can vary from person to person. Allergies affect your child's skin. If your child comes in contact with an allergen, they may develop contact dermatitis. Their skin may appear itchy, swollen, red, bumpy, scaly. They touch, inhale, or eat an allergen, they can also develop hives. Some children with allergies also develop eczema. These are raised welts that can develop on their skin, and they're almost always itchy. What do respiratory symptoms involve? This condition causes their skin to become inflamed, itchy, and irritated, even when they haven't made contact with an allergen. Coming into contact with an allergen, they may experience allergic reactions can also affect your child's respiratory tract and sinuses. If your child has a severe allergy, they may develop anaphylaxis, sneezing stuffy or runny nose or itchy or watery eyes, a feeling of pressure in their fascicling, wheezing, shortness of breath. Cause their airways to close, making it difficult to breathe. What is a potentially life-threatening allergic reaction? Other symptoms do allergies cause? Your child might experience other, more severe symptoms too, including vomiting, dizziness, cramps, queasiness, diarrhea, swelling of their tongue or face, tingling sensation in their mouth. In the case of a severe allergic reaction, they can even lose consciousness. If you suspect they're having a severe allergic reaction, give them epinephrine if you have it, and call 911. If you suspect your child has an allergy, make an appointment with their doctor. How can you prevent allergic reactions? The most effective way to prevent allergic reactions is to avoid allergens. Once you know what allergens your child is allergic to, ask their doctor how they can avoid them. If they're allergic to dogs, their doctor may advise them to avoid petting them. For example, if your child is allergic to grass, their doctor may encourage them to wear long pants and socks outside. For example, they will likely encourage you and your child to read ingredient lists, ask questions about restaurant menu items, and take steps to avoid contaminating dishes and cooking surfaces with allergens. If they're allergic to certain foods, their doctor will emphasize the importance of never eating them. Many allergic reactions can be avoided. You use natural remedies? But accidents do happen. Some natural remedies may also help soothe mild allergic symptoms. Treat allergic reactions. Your child's doctor will likely recommend certain medications. For example, they may recommend over-the-counter antihistamines, prescription antihistamines, or epinephrine. Always talk to your child's doctor before trying a new treatment for their allergies. But you should never use natural remedies to treat a severe allergic reaction. Natural remedies for skin symptoms. Some other remedies may also help soothe skin symptoms. Antihistamine creams and lotions are available at many drugstores. Then consider applying aloe vera gel or calendula cream. For example, to help treat contact dermatitis, bathe the irritated area with warm water and mild soap. If your child's skin is dry, a fragrance-free moisturizing cream or ointment may help. However, that some people can also be sensitive to the ingredients in these products. Putting baking soda or oatmeal in your child's bathwater might also provide a soothing effect. To help relieve hives, apply a cool wet cloth to the area. Even if you install filters on your air conditioner, get rid of allergy-triggering pets, and keep kids inside when pollen counts are high, it may be hard for them to avoid airborne allergens completely. Natural remedies for sinus symptoms. To treat mild respiratory symptoms, consider trying over-the-counter allergy medications. Breathing in steam from a bowl of hot water may also help clear congested sinuses. In this procedure, you use a neti pot or other device to flush your child's nasal cavities out with water. And some people believe that nasal lavage can help. Natural remedies for stomach symptoms. Do this only with older children who will cooperate with the procedure. If your child feels nauseous, encourage them to rest and stay still. If your child has diarrhea, encourage them to eat a bland diet. For example, many people recommend rice, toast, bananas, and applesauce. It's also important for them to drink plenty of water and other fluids. You can also look for special anti-nausea wristbands at your local drugstore. Get rid of strong scents that might make their upset stomach worse, such as candles or air fresheners. They're designed to stimulate a pressure point that might help relieve nausea. Though there is no strong evidence these work, they are low risk. Although the cause of dandruff is not completely understood, causes of dandruff, leaving it more exposed to infection by the microscopic yeast that is commonly found in the scalp. When the yeast overgrows, it leads to an inflammatory response that kills off scalp cells at a high rate, which in turn slough off in sticky patches and flakes. It is currently theorized that one of the main causes is a breakdown of the scalp's natural lipid barrier, white or clear flakes on the scalp, through the hair, and on clothing. The condition is identified by some young teens find they develop dandruff when they hit puberty because their hygiene habits haven't changed to meet the challenges of newly accelerated sebum production. Itchy scalp which may be red and inflamed. High sugar foods, in particular, are known to exacerbate yeast infections. Stress, poor hygiene, and poor diet can make the scalp more susceptible to dandruff. Treating dandruff. The hair should be brushed regularly to loosen flakes and stimulate blood supply to the scalp, which will accelerate the natural immune response to infection. Nutrition and excess of sugar in the diet can exacerbate any yeast infection. There are a few habits you can develop and natural treatments you can use to treat dandruff. Cleansing. Massage your scalp thoroughly with your fingertips when shampooing. Try reducing your intake of all sugars and refined starches while treating for dandruff. Wash your hair daily until the infection is cleared up. This will help loosen and remove any dead skin flakes and help prevent the infection from continuing. Avoid getting conditioner on your scalp where it can clog pores and interfere with the healing of the skin. Conditioning. Use a protective hair condition on the ends of hair only. Other treatments. Brushing your hair thoroughly on a daily basis will help loosen and remove dead skin flakes, increase the smooth flow of sebum along the hair shaft, and increase blood supply to the hair follicles. Wash hands after brushing and grooming hair. Fungal infections of the skin are highly contagious, and it is easy to reinfect and spread to other areas of the body. Massage. Massaging your scalp several times a day with the pads of the fingers only will stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and help loosen the dead skin flakes. This is why it's important to wash your hair daily and to brush out any loose dandruff flakes, so that healthy areas of the scalp will not be infected. The following herbs and nutrients have been shown to reduce dandruff infections. Washing your hands after brushing, massaging and grooming your hair will also help prevent reinfection or cross-infection. Natural internal treatments for dandruff. They can help prevent feeding the infection by keeping blood sugar levels normalized. Alpha-lipoic acid, vanadyl sulfate, Gymnema sylvestre and chromium are all natural regulators of blood sugar levels. Olive leaf and oregano leaf are both natural systemic antifungal agents. The following herbs can be used as a tonic for reducing fungal infections on a topical basis. Natural external treatments for dandruff. Tea tree oil is particularly effective against fungal and bacterial infections. Extracts of these herbs or several drops of their essential oils dissolved in aloe vera gel or witch hazel can greatly relieve the symptoms of itching and flaking in dandruff. Desert sage, clary sage, eucalyptus, ginkgo biloba, fumitory, grapefruit seed extract, ginseng, poke root, grapefruit essential oil, juniper berry essential oil, lemongrass, grapeseed extract, myrtle, oregano, lavender essential oil.